All loaded up, strapped down. At dawn, we ride. Yeah, it's 3 in the fucking morning already. And now is when I'm ready. And I have to be up at least by 8 if I want to make it to Mississippi before fucking midnight. Yeah, every fucking year is the same thing. It's always a rush. Everything's a fucking rush. But we're ready. Just need to put fuel in the other tank and away we go, boys. Come here, this way. This way. Come here. Hold on. Come on, up. Stay. How do you know you're entering Houston? When the fucking 6-lane highway starts to turn into a goddamn parking lot. We're getting there. However, just after Houston, I gotta make a stop in Crosby. That's gonna be the first stop of this trip. I'm picking up an engine and a transmission for old Joe over there. So now I don't have to pay him back in a shit ton of beer. I just have to pay him back in a engine and a transmission delivery. That's okay. We're passing on through anyway, and we got plenty of room for activities back there. Bean. Hell yeah, brother. Got the fucking 70s era Corvette on the road. Hell yeah. Look at this motherfucker go. Hell yeah. Love to see fucking classics on the road, bro. God damn. There's something almost poetic about speeding to the speed shop. Managed to save 56 fucking minutes, baby. Just before closing time.